Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 29th of June 2021, Tuesday. It's class 11th, subject education. Dear students, we have completed primary education with structure, aims, and organization. And today we are going to discuss secondary education with special reference to structure, aims, and organization. Dear students, let's try to understand what is secondary education, what is the structure and meaning of secondary education. Dear students, according to Radhakrishnan Commission, our secondary education remains the weakest link in our educational machinery and needs urgent reform. This was the concern of Radhakrishnan Commission, that secondary education is one of the weakest sectors of our education department. Dear students, let's try to understand the meaning and structure of secondary education. What is the duration of secondary education is a controversial issue. Some of the viewpoints concerning duration of secondary education are: dear students, according to Education Act 1960, which is known as Bengal Secondary Education Act, this act states secondary education means education suitable to the requirements of all pupils who have completed primary education and includes general, technical, industrial, agricultural, and commercial education. Dear students, Secondary Education Commission says generally it is generally recognized that the period of secondary education covers the age group of 11 to 17 years. Secondary Education Commission recommends the organizational structure for secondary education after the 4 or 5 years of primary or junior basic education. A middle or junior secondary or senior basic stage, which should cover a period of 3 years. A higher secondary stage, which should cover a period of 4 years. Indian Education Commission says secondary education should begin after 7 years of primary education. The duration of secondary education is 4 or 5 years after primary education. According to Indian Education Report, secondary education can be divided into 2 stages. Lower secondary stage, it includes classes 8th to 10th, and higher secondary stage, it includes classes 11th and 12th. National Policy on Education 1986 and 1992 used the term secondary education for 9th to 12th classes. What is the common educational structure according to National Policy on Education 1986 and 1992? The National Policy on Education envisages a common educational structure, that is 10 plus 2 plus 3 structure. This structure was in use. This structure was being implemented up to 2020. You must have known, you must be knowing that in 2020 we have introduced a new educational policy. A new education policy came to the existence. It is the Education Policy 2020, New Education Policy 2020. And this structure has now been to some extent abolished. 10 plus 2 plus 3. And this structure was accepted in all parts of the country. Here in this structure, 10 means 5 years of primary education, 3 years of upper primary education, and 2 years of high school education. Plus 2 means 2 years of higher secondary or senior secondary education, and plus 3 means the degree course of 3 years duration, leading to first degree of BA or BSc. Dear students, secondary education includes class 9th to 12th. Educational structure of secondary education according to NCERT is the NCERT National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2000 used the two terms secondary stage, that is class 9th to 10th, and higher secondary stage, that is class 11th to 12th. Now we come to the conclusion that school education minus primary education be termed as secondary education. Secondary education stage will include all education. At the high school stage, it is 9th and 10th classes, and at the higher secondary stage, it is 11th and 12th classes. Now, in the new education policy 2020, 4 years of secondary education have been recommended. Standard 9th, at the age of 15 years, a student should be admitted to 9th class. Then, from 9th to 12th, the pattern shall be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. 5 years fundamental, 3 years preparatory, and another 3 years middle, and last 4 years is secondary education according to the new policy of on education 2020. Here, 10th is standard SCC, standard FYGC 17 years, and standard SYGC junior secondary, junior class, it is 18 years. So the structure now in structure in new education policy 2020 is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Last 4 years are termed as secondary education. Dear students, it is all for today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will try to understand it further. What are the other topics that we need to discuss under this secondary education? Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.